What did we get, Vince?
A water tank can be filled by a hot water faucet in 6 minutes, while a cold water faucet can fill it in 4 minutes. This tank can also be emptied in 3 minutes. If the 3 valves were accidentally left open, in how many minutes will the tank be filled by water?
I wonder if the tank will ever be full when the drain is open.
I was wondering about that too. We have water coming in, at the same time coming out.
Let's try drawing a water tank.
How about dividing the water tank into parts? How many parts should it be?
Remember, the water is coming in and out at different rates. We have 1/6, 1/4, and 1/3. Then,
Aha! Now I know! We should have 12 parts since it is the LCD of 6, 4, and 3. I think we are getting closer to the answer. A plan that will help us get the answer.
Let's imagine the water coming in and going out of the tank. We can start with knowing what part of the tank is filled with water after 1 minute.
Okay. The hot water faucet will fill 1/6 of the tank in 1 minute. Since we divided the tank into 12 and 1/6 of 12 is 2, the water will come up to here.
I'll handle the cold water. Let's see. 1/4 of 12 is 3. So this much water will be added. So the 2 faucets will fill 5/12 of the tank.
we're not done yet. Remember, there's water coming out.
I'll do that. So the drain can empty 1/3 of the tank in 1 minute and 1/3 of 12 is 4. We need to take out 4 from what the 2 faucets deposited. That leaves us with this.
Aha! So the tank will be filled in 12 minutes, even if the drain is open.
Let's try to solve this using algebra.
I know we can organize our data in a chart. I'll let the first column be the faucets and the drain. Let's make the second the time in minutes it takes to empty or fill the tank. And the third, the part of the tank filled or emptied in 1 minute.
I'll fill that up for you. Let's add another row for when the faucets and drain are open. Since we don't know how many minutes it'll take to fill or empty the tank, I'll let that be T. So in 1 minute, 1/T of the tank will be filled. Now what?
Now we find the equation that relates all these.
In the previous problem, the sum of the rates of the 2 workers equals the rate if they work together. Should we add up the rates of the faucets and the drain?
I don't think so. The faucets add water to the tank, and the drain subtracts water.
I get it. The equation is 1/6 plus 1/4 minus 1/3 equals 1/T.
Let's solve for T. Let's see. We can multiply both sides by 12T. That will leave us with this. Simplifying further, we end up with...
T is equal to 12 minutes. That's exactly what we got when we drew the tank.
Shouldn't we be checking this?
I just did. See here. So in 12 minutes, the whole tank will be filled. Ma'am, we're ready to report.
So it will take 12 minutes to fill the tank.
Good job!